APC Smart-UPS SMT1500RM2UC review. Is this Rackmount beast overkill or a lifesaver? Ever felt the panic when your trusted gear fails right when deadlines loom? Servers rebooting mid-task, corrupted files, or hours lost to random shutdowns. You try to focus, but unreliable power drags you into chaos. Instead of flow, you're firefighting. Instead of calm, you're buried in noise, wasted time, and creeping doubt about whether your setup can actually protect your work. The pain is relentless, crushing project deadlines and meetings derailed by outages, clients frustrated as systems go dark, and your own sanity tested with every flicker in the lights. Stress builds, burnout creeps, and opportunities slip through the cracks. It's not just downtime, it's lost reputation, money, and trust. And deep down, you know one power event could wreck everything. Enter the APC Smart-UPS SMT1500RM2UC Rackmount 1440V amp 1000 watt, your shield against chaos. This 2U Rackmount UPS delivers pure sine wave power and automatic voltage regulation (AVR), keeping servers, storage, VoIP, and POS systems stable even when the grid isn't. With 6 NEMA 515R outlets, it protects critical devices from sags, spikes, and outages. The LCD display gives instant clarity, while SmartConnect cloud monitoring lets IT pros receive alerts, run firmware updates, and check status anywhere. One IT manager recalled a brownout hit during payroll processing, but this unit bought us time to finish, save, and shut down gracefully. It literally saved the day. Add in hot-swappable batteries for zero-downtime maintenance, graceful shutdown support for physical and virtual servers, and even a bonus 16 GB USB stick for handy storage, and you've got more than backup power. You've got Uptime insurance wrapped in black steel reliability. Why does the SMT1500RM2UC inspire near cult-like loyalty? Experts rave, the industry standard for a reason, its pure sine wave and AVR prevent failures before they happen. Analysts call it the sweet spot for SMBs, powerful yet efficient. Influencers gush, protects my whole home lab, the LCD and remote management are priceless. Users echo the same, 3 years non-stop, flawless, battery swap took 5 minutes. Another customer said, our cheaper UPS made servers beep, this one runs them smooth and silent. IT staff love how SmartConnect sends proactive email alerts so they can fix issues before disaster. The 98% energy efficiency slashes waste, while Energy Star certification keeps operating costs low. Hot swap batteries, surge suppression, and TAA/RoHS compliance add peace of mind. Ask yourself, what's more expensive, a UPS or the cost of losing data, clients, and sleep? This isn't just backup, it's business continuity, reputation insurance, and productivity armor. That's why professionals worldwide recommend it, rely on it, and refuse to cut corners when uptime is non-negotiable. Don't gamble with downtime, secure your APC Smart-UPS SMT1500RM2UC today. Stock is limited, and thousands of SMBs, IT pros, and home lab owners already trust it to keep their systems alive through storms, outages, and chaos. Every second counts, every file matters, and every client expects uptime. Don't wait for the next power failure to prove you unprepared. Act now, lock in reliability, and join the professionals who already protect their future with APC.